from 6th chapter Constructions. Here is the fourth question. Let us read it and understand it properly. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So let us do the construction step by step according to the question. Here it's given that we have to draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm. So at the first what we have to do, we have to construct a circle of radius 5 cm. So let us construct a circle of radius 5 cm. With the help of compass, adjust the radius to 5 cm with any center and 5 cm radius. Draw a circle. Name the center of this circle as O. So now here in the question it is given that the tangents are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So roughly first I will explain you. Let this be circle of radius 5 cm, and here it's given that we have to construct a pair of tangents which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. The angle between the tangents must be equal to 60 degree, like this. Let us name this point as P, and the point of contact of this tangent, let it be A, and another point of contact, let it be B. So AP and BP are two tangents to this circle. But we know that radius is always perpendicular to point of contact of the tangent. So this angle will be equal to 90 degree. So let us draw here another radius which will also be perpendicular to tangent BP at the point of contact B. So here also we get angle equal to 90 degree. Dear students, observe here, you can see a quadrilateral AOBP. You know that there are 4 interior angles in a quadrilateral, and the sum of all the interior angles of this quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Then here we know only 3 angles. Then what is the another angle? AOB. To find this angle AOB, we should make the sum here equal to 360 degree. Here we got totally 90 plus 90 equal to 180 degree. 180 degree plus 60 degree, we get 240 degree. Now subtract this 240 degree from 360 degree. What we get? We get 120 degree. So this angle AOB will be equal to 120 degree. Now add up these all angles. 120 degree plus 60 degree is 180 degree, and this 90 degree and 90 degree totally 180 degree. So now sum of all the angles will become equal to 360 degree. This all I have explained you because we can't directly draw the tangents, and also we can't construct the angle 60 degree directly. So first we have to draw the two radius, and angle between them should be equal to 120 degree. Then we have to construct two right angles at the end of radius. The line perpendicular to radius on the circle will be a tangent to the circle. Automatically we get here angle 60 degree. So let us draw the radius first. So I will draw here one radius. You can take it anywhere. I am drawing like this. Here this point will be B. Now we need to construct here angle equal to 120 degree, because angle AOB is equal to 120 degree. So for this, with any radius with O as center, draw the arc like this with the same radius. Now with this point, cut this previous arc. So now we get angle here 60 degree. Now we need to construct another 60 degree so that we get angle 120 degree. Now with the same radius, with this point, cut this arc again. And now draw a line passing through center of the circle and points of intersection of these arcs. Here we get a point A. We have now constructed two radius. An angle between these two radius is equal to 120 degree. Now we need to construct two tangents AP and BP at the end of these two radius. So here. So let us construct here two right angles at the end of these two radius. Dear students, you already have the knowledge how to construct a right angle at the point on the line. For this, take any radius and A as center, draw the arc. Like this, with the same radius from this point, cut this arc, and again from this point, cut the arc. Now with these 2 points, draw the two intersecting arcs. Like this. Similarly from this point, cut the arc. Now draw a line passing through the point A and these points of intersection of arcs. Draw it carefully. Now repeat the same procedure at the point B, because we need to construct here another right angle. So with any radius, draw an arc with the same radius from this point, cut the arc, and again from this point, cut the arc. Now with these 2 points, draw the two intersecting arcs. Now draw a line from the point B and these points of intersection of arcs. Like this. The two lines here meet at a point. Then call this point as P. So now we have constructed here a right angle. At the B also it's a right angle. So automatically the angle P here is 60 degree. This is an angle between two tangents AP and BP. So according to question, we have constructed a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So dear students, remember here, if the angle between tangents is given, we have to follow this procedure. If the angle between radius is given, directly we can take the angle at the center. So be careful about the angle. So now we have constructed AP and BP. These are two required tangents to a circle. So this is our construction. Now let us justify this. As we know that OA is perpendicular to AP because we have constructed here 90 degree. So angle OAP will be equal to 90 degree because OA is perpendicular to AP. But OA is radius of circle. Therefore, AP must be a tangent at the point A to the circle. Similarly, we can also say BP is also a tangent to circle at the point of contact B. So BP is also a tangent. So this is our required construction. You need to practice these constructions again and again. If you want, you can change the angle here and try that. If you want, you can change the radius also and you can construct the tangents so that you will become perfect in constructions. So that in exam, the question may not be the same. It may be somewhat different. Maybe the radius is different, maybe the angle will be different. So while doing constructions, you have to be very careful. So you have to read the question twice or thrice. You should understand it. You should draw the rough diagram. Then you have to go for construction.